Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well. If you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will not miss any of my uploads. I'd like to share with you a collective haul from QVC and HSN. And the reason I'm including HSN because it was bought up by QVC, so hence everything's going together. Let's go ahead and start with this beautiful big sexy jug right here, and this is my cleansing conditioner. This is WEN by Chaz, and this is the tea tree. This is a 128 fluid ounce or 1 gallon, and the tea tree was specifically created for dry itchy scalp and for brittle hair, to cleanse your scalp and leave your hair, and it adds moisture, sheen, and manageability. I absolutely love this. This is a 6-month supply, and this really helps me because, as I stated in many of my videos, that since I was prescribed Occitane, my entire body has become very dry, including my scalp. So I needed something that would relieve the itching that this medication that I'm on has caused. So this has been my savior. I've used this for years, and then I stopped and I just fell back in love with it. So here it is. This is the tea tree cleansing conditioner. Absolutely love it. And if that wasn't enough, I also picked up from Chaz. This is these are the seasonals, and this is the Summer Mango Coconut Cleansing Conditioner, and this was a set. This is 16 fluid ounces, and it comes with the treatment oil, which is 4 fluid ounces. I love that treatment oil. Again, treatment oils are used first. Once you've cleansed your hair, you use the oil, and then you go in with all the other thicker products in your hair. I absolutely love these. And of course, because buying one wasn't enough, because you know me, I'm just Miss Excess. So I wanted to try the Spring Orange Blossom set as well, and of course it comes with the 4-ounce treatment oil. They smell so good, so tropical. Just reminds me of Jamaica. So good. I love these. And then I picked up from L'Occitane. From L'Occitane, I picked up their Almond Shower Oil set. Here's the travel. The full size, this is 16 fluid ounce. And the backup or refillable, just 16 fluid ounce as well. I've got to tell you, I absolutely love L'Occitane's Almond Shower Oil. I haven't used soap in years. I use shower oils or Philosophy's 3-in-1 shower gel products, and I just love them because they just make your skin feel really good, very cleansed, very clean, moisturized, and not dry as soap would leave your skin with, and also with that film over it. Not with these. And this is one of the reasons I love cleansing oils, because they leave your skin feeling so beautifully moisturized and without leaving that film, that heavy film on your skin. So here it is, L'Occitane. And because I wouldn't be Pauline, one second, if I didn't double up. So this is like my home and away set. These two are going in to my travel bag. These are going into my travel bag. So I absolutely love these. And And I have these on auto delivery from QVC. And I think I showed it to you in my last video from QVC, my last QVC haul. And this is the Philosophy Shower Gel Shampoo, Shower Gel, and Bubble Bath in Hula Girl. I love Hula Girl so much. Once you use this, you'll know exactly what I mean. Your entire bathroom and bedroom will be filled with this beautiful tropical, like, guava scent. To me, it just smells just like a beautiful juicy guava. It's just so good. So it comes with this big daddy right here, which is 64 fluid ounce. It comes with a 16 fluid ounce spritz. It comes with the 16, I think this is a 16 fluid ounce. Yeah, 16 fluid ounce. This is a glazed body souffle. And a 16 fluid ounce of the shampoo, shower gel, and bubble bath as well. I love this. And so this is my auto delivery set and my auto delivery set. So these are going to be given as, some of these will be broken apart and given as Christmas gifts. So I'm not going to be greedy and keep it all for myself. I will break them up. I promise. What? I said I'll break them up. And lastly, I have from HSN, from the brand FOOTLOGIX, I picked up, this is CALLUS softener formula and a rough skin formula, along with the file. So from FOOTLOGIX. So the CALLUS softener says instant hydrating and softening pre-treatment of dry, callous, and rough feet. Yeah. Being in Florida, you wear sandals all year round. You need to make sure that before you put your feet in sandals, that your heels are pretty. I can tell you this, men don't like women with concrete feet. Believe me. So if you can't go out and get your pedicure regularly, there you go. This will be your savior. And I picked up, to go along with it, the cracked heel formula as well. Because a cracked heel and a concrete looking heel is not cute in any sandal, and it's just not cute. Believe me, your sheets will thank me. They will thank you. Your sheets will thank you, your husband will thank you, your girlfriend will thank you. Believe me, it is not cute to be walking around with cracked heels or concrete heels. And that is it. Wow. So that's my little haul from QVC I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much for joining me. I wish there was more, but that's it. If you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll not miss any of my uploads. As always, be kind to yourself. Be kind. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. It costs you nothing. Be kind to others. Just pay it forward. Until next time, bye-bye.